Okay. So let's look at question number 16 of the Combined Mathematics 2024 A-level paper. So this is the line and circle question. So the first part is they have given a point 1 comma 2 and b is a comma b. A, b are real numbers, and it is also given perpendicular bisector L of the line segment AB has this equation, and we are supposed to find a and b values, point B, right? So let's mark the point A and B and connect them to create the AB line segment, right? We have that. Then perpendicular bisector L of the line segment AB. So we will draw the perpendicular bisector. So, right. So this is L. L is what? L is x plus y minus 4 equals 0. Right. So using this given information, we have to find A and B. Right. So we can use the gradient of line L. So gradient of line L is what? Y equals minus x plus 4. So ML is minus 1. Then MAB, that is perpendicular to the line L. So that is going to be 1. So we have to use the gradient to create one equation to find A and B. So we know the 2 points A and B. So let's write down the gradient using those 2 points, right? So then difference in y, b minus 2 divided by difference in x, a minus 1, right? B minus 2 divided by a minus 1, and we know this is what? Gradient is 1, so b minus 2 is over a minus 1 is equal to 1. Then we have a minus 1 is equal to b minus 2, or a minus b is equal to minus 1, right? So that is equation 1. Then we need to create another equation to uh, find the a and b values. So now we know, because this is a perpendicular bisector, it bisects AB line segment. So we can find this midpoint value, and the midpoint has to be on which line? It has to be on line L. So if we can find M in terms of A and B, we can substitute it into the line L and create the next equation, right? So what is the midpoint going to be? Midpoint is going to be a plus 1 over 2 and b plus 2 over 2, right? So we know this point M is on this line L, so it will satisfy this equation. So substitute for x a plus 1 over 2, and for y b plus 2 over 2, and let's simplify. A plus 1 over 2 plus b plus 2 over 2 minus 4 is equal to uh, 4 or equal to 0. Right, now let's simplify. Multiply by 2. So we have a plus 1 plus b plus 2 minus 8 equals 0, or a plus b is equal to 5. So that is equation 2. Now we have two equations with two unknowns, so we can easily get the a b values by solving them simultaneously, right? You can do 1 plus 2, so that gives you 2a is equal to 4, or a equals 2. Then from 2 we know what? 2 plus b equals 5. Then what? B is equal to 3, right? So First part of this question is done. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Right. So this part is done. Then we want to do what? Let C be this point. Show that point C lies on line L first. So we'll do that. So that is just simply substitute 3 comma 1 into the line L. And if this side becomes 0, we are done because 0 equals 0. So it satisfies the line, right? So let's do that first. So L is x minus y, sorry, x plus y minus 4 equals 0. So point C is 3 comma 1. Substitute it into here. So we get 3 plus 1 minus 4. So that is equal to 0. So point C is on the line L. So that part is done. So we showed that. Then next part is what? Okay, find this angle ACB, right? So let me quickly again draw that. So we have A, B, and this line L, and C is on here. So C was 3 comma 1. A was what? A was 1 comma 2. And B also we found. B is what? B. A comma B, which is 2 comma 3, right? Okay, so now we want to find what? Find ACB angle. ACB angle. So let's create that. ACB. Right. So we want to find this angle. Let's say this is theta. We want to find theta. ACB is equal to, so ACB angle is theta, and that is what we want to find. Right. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Right. This is line L. X plus y minus 4 equals 0. Right. So here we can apply cosine rule and find the angle theta. To do that, we need to figure out these lengths AC, AB, and CB lengths. So AC length is what? AC length is, we have these 2 points, so you can do what? 3 minus 1 squared plus 2 minus, sorry, no, 3 minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 2 squared. So this gives you square root 5. Then C, these are similar triangles because this is a perpendicular bisector. So AC is going to be equal to CB. You can even calculate that and see. We have the 2 points now. You can just find the distance using, or the length using the length formula. But here from geometry we know AC and CB are equal, right? So we have AC equals square root 5 and CB equals square root 5. Then let's find AB length. AB length is what? AB length is using the distance formula 3 minus 1 squared plus, sorry, 3 minus 2 squared y minus, so no, wrong. What? We do 2 minus 1 squared plus 3 minus 2 squared. So that gives you 1 squared plus 1 squared. 1. So that length is square root 2, right? So now let's apply cosine rule to ACB triangle. So Then what do we have? We have AB squared is equal to, oh, if you remember the formula, you can easily we'll write the other form of the cosine rule. Cos theta is going to be equal to what? Cos theta. So the sides that contain angle theta, AC squared plus CB squared minus the other side, AB squared over 2 AC times CB. Right. So now let's apply the values. AC squared. So AC is what? Square root 5. CB is square root 5. So these two become 5 plus 5 minus AB squared. AB is square root 2. So AB squared is just 2. Divided by 2 times AC is square root 5. CB is square root 5. Right. Now let's simplify this. So we get cos theta is equal to 8 over 2 times 5. So simplify 4. Cos theta is equal to 4 over 5, or theta is equal to cos inverse 4 over 5. So theta is same as angle ACB. So this is the angle we wanted to find. Theta or ACB angle is cos inverse 4 over 5. Right. Okay. Then what is the next part? We did this. Then what? Circle S. Let S be the circle through these 3 points A, B and C. Show that the center S is given by this and find the equation of S. So we want to find the circle that goes through these 3 points A, B and C. Right. So let's recall the general equation of a circle, that is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx 2fy plus c equals 0, and here the center is given by minus g comma minus f. Right. Okay, so now this is the general equation of a circle. So we are given 3 points on that circle and we need to find 3 unknowns, no, g, f and c. So we can create 3 equations and solve them simultaneously to get the answer. Right. So what is the first point? Point A. A is what? 1 comma 2. So substitute 1 comma 2 into the general circle equation. So you get what? 1 squared plus 2 squared 2g plus 4f plus c equals 0, or 2g plus 4f plus c equals minus 5. So that is first equation. Then substitute the B point. B point was what? B point was 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 also satisfy the circle. So we'll substitute that 2 squared plus 3 squared 4g plus 6f plus c equals 0, or we get 4g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 30. Then the last point is c. The circle goes through c also, that is 3 comma 1. So we'll substitute 3 comma 1 into the general equation and get the third equation. So 3 squared plus 1 squared plus 6g 2f plus c equals 0, or 6g plus 2f plus c equals minus 10. Right. We have 3 equations now and 3 unknowns to find. Right. So we will first get rid of the EC unknown. So we can get rid of C easily. So we'll do that first. So we'll do 3 minus 1, equation 3 minus 1. So what happens? Equation 3 minus 1, C will cancel out and we'll get what? 4G, 6G minus 2G, 2F. So minus 2F, 4G minus 2F, C cancels out, minus 10 equals minus 5. So that is, let's say, equation 4. Then we'll do 2 minus 1. So equation 2 minus 1. So that will cancel out C again. 4G minus 2G, 2G, 6F, 2F. Right. So you get 2G plus 2F equals minus 13 minus minus 5 minus 8. That is equation 5. So now we can just add the two equations 4 and 5. Then we get 6G is minus 13, or G is equal to minus 13 over 6, right? So now from equation 5 we know G plus F is equal to minus 4. Substitute this G value here and solve for F. So you get what? F is equal to minus 4 minus G, so plus 13 over 6, or you get minus 11 over 6 is F. Right, now we also need C value. So for to find C, let's use equation 1. So from 1 to G, so that is what? G is minus 13 over 6 plus 4F. So 4F is 4 times minus 11 over 6 plus C is equal to minus 5. Now let's simplify. Minus 26 over 6 minus 44 over 6 plus C equals minus 5. So C is equal to minus 5 plus 70 over 6, or what? 70 over 6, or 40 over 6. So C is 40 over 6, right? We have found G, F and C. Then the center is what? Center is given by minus G comma minus F. So that means 13 over 6 comma 11 over 6 is the center of this circle. So let's see if that is what we wanted to show. Right, correct. No? Center of this circle S is 13 over 6 and 11 over 6. So that is done. Then let's write down the equation of S. So S is what? X squared plus Y squared minus 2G, sorry, plus 2GX. So that becomes what? G is minus 13 over 6. So that becomes minus 13 over 3x. Then what happens? Minus 13 over 3x. Then plus 2fy. F is minus 11 over 6. So this becomes minus 11 over 3y plus the C value. C value is 40 over 6. Right. So this is the equation of circle S. So that is done. Right. Then what is the next part? Next part is this one is done. Hence find the equation of the circle passing through points A, B and the point D. Hence find the equation of the circle passing through points A, B and point D. Right. Okay, we know this. This is s equals 0, the circle we found, and let's mark the points. These are the points A, B. So let's draw the line AB, right? Then we have AB, and let's see, this one also passes through some point C, no? Right? So this is what we have found up to now. AB is what, 1 comma 2, B is 2 comma 3, C is 3 comma 1. Right, now we want to find what we want to find. Circle passing through points A, B and point D, hence fine, right? So this is what that circle is. What this new circle we want to find is what? That is this circle, this blue circle. That is what? That is a circle passing through what? A circle and a line. So this one has what? This one has s plus lambda u equals 0 form. U is the line. U is this line. This line we can find easily, no? Because AB line equation we can easily find, because we know MAB is what? 1. So we'll find it here. Line equation of AB. We can use A point. So y minus 2 gradient is 1, x minus 1. So that becomes what? X minus y plus 1 equals 0. So that is equation of AB. So that is this one. U is what? X minus y plus 1 equals 0, right? So this blue circle has what form? S plus lambda u. That is the circle that goes through another circle and the chord between 2 points A, B. So that is that has s plus lambda u form. So we know S is what? S is x squared plus y squared minus 13 over 3x minus 11 over 3y plus 40 over 6 plus lambda x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Right. So now we need to find this lambda value. So we find the lambda value using that other extra point that is given to us. This new circle goes through A, B and D. D is what? 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3 satisfy this equation. So we can substitute it here. So for x you substitute 0. So you get 0 plus 9 minus 0 minus 11 plus 40 over 6 plus lambda 0 minus 3 plus 1 equals 0. Then simplify. You get minus 2 plus 40 over 6. Oh, shit. X equals 0 equals 3. X equals 0, y equals 3. Right. So we get what? X equals 0, y squared 3. Squared is 9. 9, 0, y. 3 cancel minus 1. So 2 no, -2 plus 40 over 6 plus minus 2 lambda, right? Minus 2 lambda equals 0. You can divide by 2, so -1 plus 20 over 6 equals lambda. So lambda is equal to 14 over 6 or 7 over 3, right? -6 plus 20. Yes, so lambda is 7 over 3. So now we substitute it into our equation, this one, and get the answer for the new circle. -13 over 3x minus 11 over 3y plus 40 over 6 plus 7 over 3. Okay, 40 over 6 is same as what? 20 over 3. No, let's write it like that. 20 over 3 plus 7 over 3 x minus y plus 1 equals 0, right? So we get what? X squared plus y squared minus 13 over 3x minus 11 over 3y plus 20 over 3 plus 7 over 3x minus 7 over 3y plus 7 over 3 equals 0. So now again simplify. Minus 13 over 3 plus 7 over 3 becomes minus 6 over 3. So that is minus 2x minus 11 over 3y minus 7 over 3y becomes minus 18 over 3y. So minus 6y plus 20 over 3 and plus 7 over 3 plus 27 over 3. So plus 9 equals 0, right? So that is the new circle, right? Okay, so that is the answer for question number 16. Next we will do question number 17.